Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. Hope everybody is having a good Wednesday. We have had quite the roller coaster ride in Bitcoin in the last couple of days. I am going to present this TA in a Elliott wave fashion. Hopefully I can make it understandable for the ones that don't understand Elliott wave. We are going to start out on the lower time frame today, and hopefully we can show what is happening. So right now, from an Elliott wave perspective, I see a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. I'm expecting a wave 4, or this is the wave 4, but I'm expecting possibly a wave 4 to here and a wave 5 to the downside. Now, one thing I want to throw out there, and I'm not leaning this way, is this could possibly be an A, a B, an extended C to the downside. I'm not leaning that way, but it possibly could be. So what you want to look for is we have a little leading diagonal here, or what looks like a leading diagonal. So what you want to look for is, do we get a 3-wave move? Do we get 5 more waves to the downside, just straight from here? Or do we get a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a 5? I'll repeat that. Do we get a 3-wave move, which will be a correction, and then we would get 5 more waves to the downside for the 5th wave? Or do we just get 5 more moves to the downside from here, and this was the wave 4? Or does this turn into a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, 4, 5? If we get this big move up to the upside, then we are looking for more movement to the upside. When we get to the bottom here, if this scenario happens, you're going to look for the exact same thing. Do we get a 3-wave move to the upside, which is a correction? Or do we get 5 big waves to the upside? Having 5 waves to the upside past the 1.618 means that we're getting more to the upside. It's the difference between 3 waves and 5 waves, and you can definitely tell the difference. I'm going to delete this real quick, see what we have going on here. So we're getting a little bounce here. This is where we need to look for the 3 waves, for a 4th wave, or 5 waves. Let's move on up to the higher time frame. Accidentally deleted that. Okay, so in my last video, we were in this area, and I said that I expected 3 waves to the upside. We got our 3 waves, whether it's an ABC or it's a WXY. We got our 3 waves. Came up a little bit higher than I expected, but it's still corrective. Now we're getting our move to the downside. As I said before, we have support coming in to these 3 areas. 10,900, 10,500, and this big support here coming in around 10,000. With each support area, you want to look for the same exact thing as I was telling you on the lower time frame. Do we get 3 waves to the upside and more downside? It's the 3 waves or the 5 waves that you're looking for. 5 waves, we get a correction, and then we get more to the upside. 3 waves, and we're going to get 5 more to the downside. This could stop here and head up for the 5th wave. Or when we finish with our 5th wave, we could get a 3-wave correction and come down for 5 more. I am leaning not one way or the other. I'm watching price action. If we get 3 waves to the upside, I will look for a short and short this to the downside. If we get what looks like 5 waves coming to the upside, I will wait for the 3 waves to the downside, and that is my entry to take it to the upside. 5 waves, 3-wave correction, take it to the upside. Or 3 waves to the upside, that's your entry to the short to the downside. I know this was a quick video. I hope it wasn't too confusing for the people that don't know Elliott Wave. Everybody trade safe. Leave a comment, leave a like. It's so much appreciated. And I hope everybody has a great day.